Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix this version of Instagram no longer supports calling problem on Instagram. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on the apps option and tap on the search bar, search for Instagram and tap on the Instagram. Now tap on the force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now click on the storage, clear cache and click on clear data, delete. Okay, go back and tap on permission option, allow all permission. First of all, calendar, allow back, call logs, allow back, contracts, allow back, again camera, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, allow. Okay, back and photos and videos, always allow all. Okay, complete, allow all permission, complete. Okay, done. And go to Play Store, search bar, tap on the and search for Instagram and tap on Instagram. Check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version, or check your internet Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back and turn on your airplane mode and turn off your airplane mode. Okay, done. And now open your Instagram app and see your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.